What's up? It's your man Rajay 111. Just I'm up in the race trailer, just getting some stuff together. You know, cleaning up, just getting stuff together, shit like that. But it's just a quick video, quick announcements. I want to tell y'all some stuff, things like that. But first, shout out to Barnstormers. That track up there was great up in New York. Yo, I had fun up there. Shout out to you guys, man. I had fun. Track was great. Track crew, everything was good. I struggled with Truggy bad. I don't know what, Truggy was just not working for me the whole weekend. Buggy, I did get a bump spot to the A in 40 plus nitro. And I think I finished like 7th, maybe 8th. I don't know in Buggy. But I did make it to the show, so that was good. My K501 out of here, yo. It's time for a repatch or rebuild. Yeah, K501. I wish I would have sent this out when I sent my other engines out, but I didn't. And she's tired now. She got gallons on her. Y'all can see. Yeah, she's almost at the top there. So it's time for a rebuild on her. And it is what it is. But but everything else with the engine looks good. Crank popping, all that just popping. But anyway, but shout out to Barnstormers crew, man. Rohan, you out there, brother? I need some Saturday races. I need to come back up there. I want to come back up, definitely. Park my trailer right back there where the cornfield at again. Throw a sprinkle of Saturdays in the next schedule for me, and I'll be up there. All right. One big shout out to my man Matt from Senate RC. You know the Servos I run. Shout out to him, and I gotta tell y'all something about that too. But Matt, my man Matt, sent me this engine. This is the Maxi. Hopefully, is that backwards? No. All right, the Maxi Cinco 2.0. So I'm gonna do some testing with this thing here. Let y'all know how this thing get down. I hear a lot of good information about this. It's a 5-port Pico based. But I hear it's really good. Like, I've been hearing some good stuff about it, but I want to test it out myself. Full ceramic, the whole kit caboodle. He sent me that. Sent me some glow plugs. These are P5s. Sent me that. Sent me the pipe for the joint. This is the Maxi 2099 pipe. I really don't know anything about this pipe yet. I gotta do some information, some investigating, but he sent me that. And I think this is a regular, this is maybe a 75mm header. This looks like a medium or 75mm header. So shout out to Matt from Senate RC. Thank you, brother. Alright, so let me tell y'all about that. Alright, I ain't getting into the whole story, but look, if you go to the website to buy the servos at sendit/rc.com, it's gonna roll down here, okay? The servos on there, the price is gonna say a little higher, alright? Some backstory stuff, don't worry about it though. But your man got you, I got you. So what happens is, you go there, just add the servos to your cart. You're gonna see a discount code that's gonna pop up. It's gonna say Rajay 111, boom, boom, boom. It's gonna bring it down to the price that is in my other video. Still gonna get the 456s for $70, and you're still gonna get the 626s for $85. All that shipped to your door. It's still all good. It's just on the website, it's gonna read a little higher. Don't worry about it. Add it to your cart. You're gonna see the Rajay 111 discount code. That's gonna bring them down for you, baby. I got you. Don't worry, your man got you. All right. If you don't, let me know or send him an email. You know what I mean? But it's in there. I was trying to show y'all on the website here, but my reception out here as far as Wi-Fi is sketchy. I don't know why. In my backyard, I don't know why. Right? But anyway, so y'all good there. Also, he's gonna be a dealership for these engines, right? But wait, don't purchase just yet. They're gonna be on the website. But what happens is, I gotta do some testing and tuning and stuff with this, and then I'm gonna let y'all know how this gets down. Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, I've heard good things about them, but I'm not sure yet. Let me just get through my testing. I gotta break the engine in. I got like 3 engines I gotta break in. I got that P5. I also gotta look at that Manifesto, Festo, whatever. that. So give me a second. I'll let y'all know how this get down. I'm gonna do a video and everything on it, alright? But he will be a dealer for these engines, and it'll be on the website, alright? No problem. Also, y'all know I don't never ask for no bread, y'all. You know what I mean? But I want to show y'all some pictures. The reason why I'm doing the testing and stuff with this, and he sent it to me, because they done burnt down his driver's stand. They messed the track all up, you know what I mean? So they got a GoFundMe page, right? Give what you can, you know what I mean? I'm giving a couple $. Give what you can, you know what I mean? Ain't no set amount, just give what you can. They trying to rebuild the driver's stand, get the track back up and running, and of course, insurance, you know, insurance, they sell you the hooker with the heart of gold. The insurance won't cover it now, so they coming out their own pocket to get their driver's stand back up and running, get their track up and running. GoFundMe link is going to be in description. Give what you can, people. Just think about it. You know what I mean? Just your local track, and they done burnt down the damn driver's stand. You know, you want all the help you can get. So let's help our RC brothers out. Get what you can. You know what I mean? I don't ask for bread. You know I don't do that. But this is a good cause. You know what I'm saying? So help out much as you can. Whatever you can give, it's appreciated. All right? You know what I mean? I have pictures flowing. See the pictures and everything. It's crazy. You know what I mean? So help out if you can. All right? Oh, okay. Bones Motorsport. Brent, listen. If y'all call Brent, right? Because he told me, you know, some people call him and don't leave messages. If y'all call him, just leave a message, because he be brewing, right? Making the fuel, and he can't stop the process. He got to keep pushing. But if you leave a message, he going to call you back. No worries. He's going to call you back. You all good. He'll call you back, all right? But he want me to tell you that. So, anyway, I'm gonna do a test and tune day, the 26th. This phone, sorry, this phone going off the chain, yo. Always busy, right? Anyway, I'm gonna do a test day like 26th. That's a Saturday. My man CJ will go out there, probably the trains, and that way, cause I want to break this engine in, break that P5, and I want to take them all out there, just testing some tuning. Give y'all some info about this engine here, and you know, I got some other stuff I gotta test out too. But with that being said, LCRC is jumping this weekend. They race for cancer races this weekend. I'm not gonna make it. I'm taking this weekend off. I was scheduled to go. I was going, but I gotta take a break, y'all. I really gotta take a breather. I gotta fix these cars. These cars are like, look, homie, I had enough. You need to do some maintenance. Plus, I got stuff I gotta get caught up on. I've been racing damn near every weekend. I gotta get caught up, so I'm not gonna make it this weekend. But also, I think Barnes is having a club race Sunday. Yeah, they having a club race Sunday. I wish it was Saturday, but they having it Sunday. If you can make Barnes, that the Barnstormers of Chester, New York, the club race is Sunday. See if you can get that popping too. You know what I mean? But after that, then I'm gonna do test and tune down back to the regular scheduled program. Also, shout out to Blue Ridge. Man, let me tell you something. Blue Ridge, that track was rough, but it was a good race. I had fun at the Summer Sizzler. I did okay down there. You know, I came in second in Truggy. I got the long haul award. It was good. So, Summer Sizzler was good. That being said, Blue Ridge, they having another big race November 4th. No, wait. It might be November 6th to the 8th. I'm not sure of the date. I know 8 is in there, but just look it up on Facebook. Blue Ridge Nationals. You'll see it on the thing. It's the beginning of November. I'm going to that one. And they got a track builder from Cali going out there. It's gonna be nice. That's gonna be popping. What other races is jumping? Sorry. All right, and what else is popping? Adrenaline Invitational race is coming up, October 4th to the 6th. That's probably the dates I'm getting mixed up. October 4th to the Oh man, I'm sorry. I'm all over the. See, that's why I gotta take a break. But Adrenaline, just go to Adrenaline. look it up on Facebook, Adrenaline RC. You can go to their website or on Facebook. The invitational race. It might be the 1st to the 4th, or something like that. All right, it's the beginning of October. All right, Adrenaline invitational race. I think it's $75. You race as many classes as you want. It's a whole weekend race, beginning of October. I'm gonna go to that one because my birthday is actually October 7th, so I get to race for my birthday or something. You know what I mean? It's cool. What other races I can tell you about? There's a couple other coming up. I gotta get it all together, y'all. I've just been really busy, but I wanted to just give y'all some information. But really about that Send It RC. Like I said, you go to the website. The servos are gonna price a little higher on it. You're gonna see it, whatever price. Don't worry about it. That's not what you're gonna pay. Click it, add it to your cart, and boom, the Rajay 111 discount gonna come up. It's gonna say Rajay 111 discount. Boom, it's gonna bring it down to either the 70 if you got the 456s, or the 85 if you got the 626s. Shipped to your door, baby. All good. All right. So I said, oh, you know what? I showed y'all the part number for that carburetor. I gotta figure that one out too. What's going on with that? But here's the part number if you need the slide for the effects. All right, I'm gonna give y'all this. All right, part number right there popping. All right, that's the effects. That's the slide. But I really don't think it's the slide. I really think that engine is overheating for some reason and warping the barrels, because that clutch bell was toe up on that thing. And if you're going to do the slide, you might as well replace the idle screw. That's the idle screw part number right there. Okay, idle screw with an O-ring. All right, for the effects. Yeah, if your slide happens to jam up on you or something. I ran the 301 and had no issues. I also ran, I think my Mito 4 had no issues with the slide, nothing. So I really think it's that actual engine that's jamming up on me. Also, I did try to run, I'm telling y'all, I struggled bad with Truggy this weekend at Barnes. I put the OS in, the B2101 in, and the damn red bearing's gone. I don't know, it's like, rah. So I got to replace the red bearing. I'm gonna send that engine out to get redone over. I'm gonna send a batch of engines to get redone over. Plus, we coming to the end of the season. All right, people. This video really ain't about nothing. I'm gonna show y'all in another video. Turns the camera around. I'm gonna take the engine apart. Show y'all this thing here. See what it's popping. All right. Show y'all everything with it. All right. All right. So people, this your man Rajay 111. Hopefully that's all I gotta tell y'all. Yeah, so this man Rajay 111. I'll see you on the next one. All right, peace.